Hi, here's a quick video explaining how to install the PsdFilm Instant Film Photoshop actions. You have to make sure you install all of the actions, which are in the Actions folder, Instant 1, and then the Laboratory. And you can do this by right-clicking and opening, or just double-click. They're already installed in my Photoshop, so this might duplicate, but I'll show you. Yeah, so they're already up here, so I'm going to delete this duplicate. But as you can see, you have to install each one, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then there's a laboratory one. So make sure in the folders you install the instant and the laboratory, and then you go into each one, instant 2, 3, and 4. And within one of them, make sure you install all of the grain patterns. This is a key part. The grain patterns are used in every action. So ensure all of these are installed. Once you've done that, you can actually play the actions in your actions panel. You also will need the history panel. And then it's good to have the patterns one open. And if you don't see any of these, just click window, and then you can select actions, patterns, and all of that. To play them all, what I'm going to do is I'll show you Instant 1 and Develop All Films. Whenever I start with PsdFilm products, you want to click the lab and open it. Oh, okay, we don't have an image opened up, so we can't do anything. So that's another error. You have to have an image open up. So I'm going to open an example image. Okay, now we're going to run the lab. The lab is ready, and we can develop our favorite films, so everything will run smoothly. And this is going to be Instant 1. I'm going to play all of these films, and then we'll be able to select from each version if we want to try a different one for our edit. So you click play, and you'll see right here the first step is to select the pattern. This is why it may not work if you don't have the pattern installed. And if you don't see this pattern selected, the grain ISO, make sure it's at the top. If it's not, it may select a different one, and then you won't get the right results. So in the patterns panel, if you don't see it here, try to select down, and make sure you select the grain pattern, whichever one you want for your film type, depending on how much grain you want. Once it's selected, click OK. And you'll do this for each action that plays. As you can see right here, you're going to have to select it once each time. Keep doing that. Click through all of them. And now they've successfully developed. So you go to the History tab right here, and then you can choose your favorite film. So now we'll go to History, and we can click through each version, including the black and white, peel apart, negative, cold, warm, Polachrome, cold, and warm. And again, and you can also have the developer base or the source image. You can select any version, including the original. And these are all just the first set of instant actions. You also have 3 other packs, and you can do the same exact thing for all of those. And just always navigate back to your base image. And then we'll go through the second one. Click Develop All Films, then Play. Select the patterns. Boom. And now we have even more. So as you can see, we can select through all the different options. There's a lot of them. Okay, so that's the tutorial of how to use the PsdFilm Instant Films Photoshop actions. If you have any questions, be sure to leave a comment or reply to this message.